Hi everyone, my name's Andrew Morgan and welcome to my course Overview of Spring Data. I'm an independent consultant specialising in Spring, microservices and continuous delivery. Nearly all Java developers will need to deal with data access at some point, and a lot of the time this involves writing a ton of boilerplate. In this course we're going to give an overview of Spring Data, a collection of projects for data access in Java. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include bootstrapping an application with the Spring Data Starter, accessing data with repositories, and transaction management with Spring. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of Spring Data and will be able to get started with any Spring Data project. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Spring, Java, and databases. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into any module-specific Spring Data course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Spring Data with the Overview of Spring Data course at Pluralsight.